Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we will discuss the exercises and question answers of Stone Soup in Bohemia. Let's begin with A number. Write T for true and F for false statements. First one is the villagers gave the soldier a very warm welcome. This is false. They didn't give the soldier a warm welcome because they all had unwelcoming attitude. Second is the stones had no power of making a soup. Yes, it is true. It was just a story which the soldier had told all of them. Third is the villagers added nothing to the soup. No, this is false because the villagers added many things to the soup. So this is false. The villagers found the soup extremely delicious. Next one. Yes, this is true. And the next, a Chinese had taught the soldier how to make stone soup. No, this is false. This was just a story. Now B number. Answer the following questions in about 30 words each. First one is, how did the soldier react to the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers? The soldier did not get disheartened at the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers. Instead, he remained cheerful and kept calm and patient. He simply requested the villagers to let him rest there for just one night only. Second one is, what according to the soldier was the speciality of the stones? According to the soldier, the stone had the power to brew for him the most delicious and mouth-watering soup that ever a man tasted. Third number is, why did the villagers initially hesitate to add anything to the soup? The answer will be, children, that initially the villagers hesitated to add anything to the soup because nobody wanted to admit his curiosity. Nobody wanted to make a fool of himself. Fourth number is, what comments did the various villagers make on the quality of the soup? They made various comments, you all know that. And the question is, what comments they made? Exquisite, said the burgomaster. Magnificent, said the portly merchant. Real tasty, I must say, observed the woman with the wart on the nose. And lastly, on the top up the great wall, said by the youth. Okay, children. Now the next one is hordes. What are the various methods that the soldier adopted to be friendly with the villagers? You have to tell about the various methods he adopted. First of all, the soldier didn't react at the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers. He remained calm, patient, cheerful, and humble. Using his wit, he started talking to them very politely, shared his stories and experiences with them, cracked jokes with them, and created such an environment that everybody became friendly with him. The story of two stones attracted them too much. And these were the various methods that the soldier adopted to be friendly with the villagers. These are the various methods. You can write them easily. Next one is life skills. There are two questions in your life skills. First of all, A number we will see. Let's see what is in A. Presence of mind is a more valuable asset than wealth or strength. Elaborate the idea in a short paragraph. Okay, children, first we will discuss this question, then the second one. In this question, writer wants to say that presence of mind is more valuable asset than wealth or strength. The answer will be presence of mind can never be compared with wealth or strength. Money can be stolen and there may be physical weakness, but presence of mind can never be taken by anybody in any way. Okay, children? And presence of mind can overcome any hurdle of our life. But wealth or strength doesn't make us intelligent. A wealth or a strong man can earn money, spend it in a proper way, and can be rich and wealthy. In many situations, presence of mind works and wealth and strength become useless. A wealthy and strong man can be poor and weak, but an intelligent man can never be foolish. So, presence of mind is more valuable asset than wealth and strength. Second question is, and the soldier chuckled to himself. Chuckle means smiled, laughed. And the soldier chuckled to himself. Why did the soldier do so? Discuss with your partner. In my opinion, the soldier had befooled the villagers. He managed to satisfy his hunger only because of the contribution of the villagers, but they remained ignorant of the fact. On the other hand, they were obliged to him for providing them the magical, historical, and delicious soup. So the soldier chuckled to himself. Now, values. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. How could the soldier ensure that he was not disheartened at all? In this answer, children, I think the soldier was a brave and intelligent man. Very soon he understood that the villagers were very simple, innocent, and ignorant people. During the battle, he might have faced many difficult situations and overcome those successfully. So he remained calm, cool, patient, and cheerful here because he understood how to befool the villagers and how to satisfy his hunger without being the villagers aware of the fact that they had helped him. This way the soldier ensured that he was not disheartened at all and he overcomes his tough times. Now, children, in the writing skill, you have to write a report. You are a reporter, imagine that, who visits the village in Bohemia and listens to the fame of the stone soup. Write a news report to be published in your newspaper showing how a soldier used his wits to satisfy his hunger. In report writing, first of all, you will write the format of the report. I have already discussed the format of the report in my third chapter. This is your sixth chapter. In third chapter, A Hero, you can see that chapter. I will give the link on the description box. And in that chapter, I have discussed format of report writing already because in that chapter you have to write a report also. So in this report, I will say the content only. After the format, you will write or you can write. If you have anything to write yourself, you can write easily. This will be good also. But if you need some help, you write with the help of my video. And for that, children, subscribe this channel, like and comment on it. Okay, let's see what is the answer of the last question. After format, you can write in the format Stone Soup in Bohemia or The Witty Soldier. Whatever title you want to give to your report, you can give. Then day and by HT correspondent, or you can write your name here also by your name. Then town and date. And after that, recently a soldier had come to Bohemia. The villagers were hostile towards him, but very soon he created such a situation that the villagers got trapped in his sugar coated words. He told them stories of wars, shared his experiences with them, and cracked jokes. He started boiling 2 stones in water and told them that those stones were magical and had the power to brew soup for him. The most delicious and mouth-watering soup that ever a man tasted, but it could be more tasty if some vegetables and spices were added to it. The villagers were hypnotized in his words and added so many things by their side. Soon a nourishing soup was prepared and everybody had it. They were thankful to the soldier for the magical and historical soup without knowing that it was prepared by their contribution. In this way, the soldier befooled the villagers and satisfied his hunger. Okay, children. Now I have discussed all the answers. Hope this video will be helpful to you for your examination. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on it. Thank you.